Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to look at the customers section and how you can manage customers, create invoices, create statements, as well as other operations you can do in the customers section in QuickBooks. So of course this is going to be a useful feature when you are doing your accounts receivables, and these are actually your customers. So let's get to it. So this is a section under customers here. So you just click on customers and go to customer center. Yeah, so under here you can add customers. You're also going to get transactions here. Once you have transactions relating to customers, you can manage the transactions here. You can do invoices, do sales receipts, statement charges, create statements, and other stuff in this section. So for now, what I'm just going to do is create a new customer. So I'm just going to say new customer here. So I can say customer A. Then opening balance, I'm going to assume this is a new customer, so I won't have any opening balance. So this is, I can assume this is starting on 1st January. Company name, just take company A. And of course, these other details are optional. You don't have to fill them. You may not have to fill all these sections. They are just optional. So for now, for the time being, I'm just going to leave them as blank. Payment settings. If you wish to add any information regarding the customers, you can input here. So for the time being, I don't wish to declare any details, so I'll leave this section as blank. Sales tax. If you have any information you wish to declare here, additional info, job info. This is a simple setup, so I won't input all this information. I'm just going to go with the customer name, and that's it. And I'll click OK. So you can see the customer has been created here. I can create another new customer. So customer B. Customer B. Note that this is not a very detailed setup, so you won't be inputting all this information. But if you have any question about how to, these are just simple details, so the phone number, email, work phone and such. But if you have any query about this, you can just drop your question in the comment section below and address the issue. But for now, because this is a simple setup, I'm just going to leave the details blank for now, and I click OK. So now you have two customers. You can create invoices for these customers, you can receive payments from these customers, and you are going to see how you can do that in later tutorials when we start generating invoices and receiving payments from customers. But for the time being, because we don't have any transaction, there's nothing much you can do with this file here, or with this section, the customer section here. So just wanted to show you how to create customer, and that's how you can create customers in QuickBooks. But we are going to see how you can use this customer details in another tutorial later on. But for now, that's how you create customers in QuickBooks. Thank you for watching.